want to play with you anymore. So Japan Village is this really cool space, I guess you'd call it. It's like a building kind of made out of an old factory, it seems like, in Industry City, which is a neighborhood in Brooklyn. I think a lot of the buildings here used to be like factories and stuff like that, and they converted a lot of them into like shopping or kind of these community centers or apartments. Japan Village, there's a lot of stuff going on. There's the Sunrise Market, which is kind of like a Japanese supermarket. They got snacks. They have, fresh fish and meat and vegetables that you'd find in Japan. There's a bunch of stuff, household goods, all that sort of stuff. It's really cool. And then there's like the food hall, which is on the same floor as well. A bunch of different kind of food stands indoors, bars, ramen, all sorts of stuff, onigiri places, like a whole bunch of different Japanese food in there. Then there's kind of like this outdoor area that has a little park, a little playground for kids. If you go upstairs, there's a Daiso, which is a little bit more upscale Japanese like dollar store. And then there's also this kind of event space. They do like tea ceremonies. There's a whole bunch of different events that they do. Karaoke with like anime theme songs. There's cosplay contests, and there's a Book Off, which is a Japanese chain store. It's the only one I've seen in the US. I don't know if there's more, but basically it's like a bunch of manga, anime, and video games and a whole bunch of Japanese cultural items that you can find there. It's really cool. I had a lot of fun. I could there's so much there that I could just go for a really long time just looking at everything. Yeah, there's a lot of fun stuff. It's really aesthetically pleasing. It's a really nice, pleasant time that you can go and spend the whole day, especially if you like Japanese or if you're a, otaku or a weeb. You'll love it. But yeah, it's really cool. I'm glad it exists, and I hope it continues to exist for a long time and just keep getting better. I'm definitely going to go back. It's awesome. Look, they have all these retro games. They got VHS. Is that, or is it it's a Super Famicom game. It looks like a VHS. Wow, how good condition. Fever. Wow. Oh yeah. Yeah. Whoa. There's a lot. I'm getting rickrolled. Okay, so the Daiso is near the claw machines. What a distinguished gentleman. Little cleaners. Tropical pineapple. This guy. Look at these little guys. Look at this guy. It's different than other Daisos I've been in. It's more like a dollar store. Earthiness. There are no shortcuts in life. Alright, we got the traditional Japanese potato salad. Traditional Japanese style. It smells nice and fresh. Very subtle. Is it egg salad and potato salad? I think so. It's really good, really fresh, not overwhelming, not very mayo-y. Very solid. It's only $4. Honestly, if you want a little snack, it's gonna come out quick and be pretty cheap from here. Yeah, this place Waku Waku is really cool. They have little private rooms with traditional sitting in the sunken floor seats. I'll show you some video, but it's cool. So far, my opinion of Japan Village is pretty awesome. It's a lot of fun. I recommend it if you like Japan or you just want to feel immersed in like another culture for a few hours. Definitely recommend it. Waku Waku so far, it's been great. Everything here is awesome. And you can get really good, rare Japanese video games and stuff, and like figures and all that sort of stuff upstairs, manga. We got all the Japanese snacks you want. Highly recommend it for sure. All right, we got the orange chuhai and the orange cranberry. Let's see, what do we think? It tastes alcoholic.
Yeah, I don't really taste the orange flavor.
Wait, is there alcohol in it?
I don't. It tastes just.
It's kind of bitter.
Yeah.
I think I wasn't expecting alcohol. I thought it was like juice and seltzer.
No, it said I think something else on it.
Oh really? Well, for an alcoholic drink, it's good. But for a juice drink, it doesn't taste like juice. It's good though.
It's
Like
very refreshing.
if I knew it was an alcoholic drink, I'd be like, ooh, this is pretty good. For a alcoholic drink, it's good. But don't expect like juice and soda.
Yeah.
I think it's alcohol, right?
I think so.
It's gotta be.
It
right?
tastes alcoholic.
Something. Well, it is St. Patrick's Day. Think green. And I ain't talk about the environment,
Yeah.
but I am too. Shamrocks. We gotta preserve the leprechauns, you know. They're endangered.
What? That's an actual
Yes.
leprechaun?
How many are there now?
There's 236 of them left in the whole of Ireland,
who have you got there?
including this one, and they're protected by the European Union.
This matcha powder with the corn tempura? Oh man. And what was this called again? I forgot. I totally forgot. But it's basically,
Oh, I think this is the cheese, right?
yeah, it's like a mozzarella stick, but Japanese style. I wonder what the sauce is like. It looks really good though. And like the little spoon.
Are we supposed to sprinkle it?
I don't know. Okay. Cheers. Wait, let's dip it. Oh, it's actually falling off the stick.
Oh no.
It's hard to eat, actually.
Oh, you know what? I'm gonna grab a plate.
You know what? You know what? I'm going to use chopsticks to eat it. It's way easier. Okay. It's like a very high quality mozzarella stick. Right? It's good. And the sauce, savory, salty, is a great combo.
Oh, it's really good.
It goes really well with it, especially with the panko breadcrumbs. Oh, saved by the, what is it? Plate? I forgot the name of that. Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
But I like that. I like that.
Oh, that's a good combination.
The cheese is really soft. 9 out of 10 right there. You gotta see how steamy it is.
Oh, yeah.
It's like corn and like maybe some cheese or something.
Oh wow.
Steamy.
That's beautiful.
All right, I'm gonna try a little bite of this. Hopefully I don't burn my tongue. It's hot.
Just trying to sprinkle
Where's this spoon? Here we go. I'm assuming it's matcha powder, but who knows? Okay. It's salty. It's like matcha salt, I think. Good, but not as good as the mozzarella stick thing. I don't know if I get the corn tempura again.
I think I like this one better.
Yeah, not bad, but didn't hit it out of the park for me. Like, it's fine, but I wouldn't order again. The playlist at this place is dope. Oh yeah, well hold up. Down like the economy. In this economy? Okay. So here's my haul from a store inside Japan Village.
The Sunrise Mart.
Sunrise Mart, yeah. So we got some cocked asses. I'm just reading it,
Are
okay?
you pronouncing it correctly though? Maybe it's like.
What is it? Coque? De asses? Das? Cocked das? I don't. It's kind of like. However you say it.
It's whatever, I guess.
It's kind of sus. We got some horn.
Why does it
I'm
sound
gonna
so?
put this in my mouth.
Oh God! Ew! Why would you say it like that?
I disgust myself.
You disgust me. Go on.
And we got frosted cookie sticks, peanuts.
Okay.
This one actually is like the one I really wanted to try, because it's like the crunchy.
Yeah, I like the crunchy one at Pocky.
Yeah. And then we got this. It looks like it's like matcha chocolate Kit Kats. So, okay, you know, we're gonna start. You know which one we're gonna start with. Okay. I think the packaging is really whoa, nice and convenient. Ooh. Whole bunch of little cocked asses right here. I don't know what that's what it's literally called, okay? I'm not being dirty. This is literally what it's called. So I'm about to have cocked asses. Very individually packaged. You can give it to a friend. Okay. Here you go. Mmm. Oh, that's delightful. Mmm. Very delicate. With a thin cookie. Nice classic chocolate flavor. I like the cocked asses. Okay, now time to try horn. These packages are like legit. Oh wow. Everything is so nice. These Japanese candies. A little horn. Okay. Eat the horn. That's also really good. I actually genuinely like all this stuff. I wasn't gonna get it if it wasn't looking good. Ooh, nice, thick chocolate. Thin cookie. Oh yeah, okay. Now let me try frosted cookie sticks peanuts. Oh, even this one. Well, they're individually wrapped, like legit.
Wow.
Each one of them.
Pretty good.
Right? Okay. Oh, thick.
Oh, no.
Dare I say, it rivals the
Pocky.
almond chocolate French Pocky.
Wow, it's
Is there only two in there? Oh, no, it's three. I still think I like Pocky a little bit
so
better.
thick. Oh my God.
That's what she said.
I just realized how bad that's.
Okay. Decent. The other two are a little better, I think, honestly. And I thought this was going to be the best one. I think it's matcha chocolate. Yeah. Of course, these are also
I hope it's not mint though.
individually wrapped.
Does it smell minty?
No, matcha-y. Yeah, it's matcha and chocolate. It's nice. If you're a fan of both, like I am, no, pretty good day. Pop one of these puppies in your mouth and start chewing. And even have like a little area you can write a little note. Put it in your kid's little lunchbox. Say, I love you, Johnny. All in all, I gotta say, I think my favorite. I don't know. Wait, is it the cockasses? Is this my favorite? Or is it the horn? Hold on. Because the cockasses. It's just, oh my god. So this one's called.
I think I like this one.
It's so delicate and like so easy to eat. Like nom, nom, nom. This one though, the horn.
Reminds me of the horned creature.
It's nice and thick. Which one do I like the most?
I think I like this one the most.
I like the cockasses. I think I like it a little bit. I like the cockasses a little bit more than the horn.
I feel like we're offending some French person by pronouncing it.
I don't know. Is it French? Coquedassis? I don't know how to pronounce it. I honestly feel like the most appropriate way to pronounce it is cockasses. I don't know how else I would pronounce this. Anyway, pretty good stuff. Now you know. Had a wonderful day here at Japan Village in Brooklyn. Industry City, I think, is this area. I've never been here before. It's really cool. It's like a whole bunch of old factories turned into like a big kind of indoor-outdoor shopping center. Here you see here, check this out. You can see like it's like a big factory thing. There's apartments, I think, in a lot of these, but it's really great. If you're ever in this area, I would highly recommend it. Yeah, I had a really great time. It's definitely a nice like afternoon to spend.
Not too hot, not too cold.
Oh yeah, today was great. Like, cause I like the cold, so today was great. But anyway, that's it for me today. My tour of Japan Village, first time here, and I think it's great. It's definitely worth it. And I think right now, when it's not so warm out, it's probably a little bit less busy. So, I mean, if that's what you're kind of avoiding crowds, and maybe come in the spring before it gets too warm. But anyway, I appreciate you all watching the video, and put some more cockasses in my mouth. All right, thanks. Like and subscribe.
Ba do ba 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 da ba ba do da ba ba do da ba ba do